Hi, this is Joe Hill from DoneRight Management. You are at the Payette River Cabin, and we're just going to go over the internet and the internet connection. So if you're having any difficulties, what you might need to do is find the internet box, which happens to be in the master bedroom. And right now, everything seems to be active and working. So you've got the green power light on, you've got a blue light for the internet in and the internet going out. It's connected to the internet and the wireless is working. So if there is any issue, typically what you want to be able to do is just unplug it right here. So you would unplug this for a minute or two and then go ahead and put it back in. If for some reason that you do not see the 203 Mather when you're on the Wi-Fi, you're going to probably be looking for another security information. And so what you're going to do is you're going to come and take a look on the back or the bottom of this information. Now, if it's reset, you're going to have information that's physically here. So you're going to go through and you can see this is Wi-Fi security key. So if you're going to have to potentially re-enter, you're looking for something that's going to be called Motorola EF4F0. And then you're going to have to go in and put this crazy long code that's going to be right here. It's called the Wi-Fi security key. And that is what is going to end up happening in order for you to get back onto the Wi-Fi. If for some particular reason that the internet had dropped in McCall, which is often and frequent, it does happen, and so the actual Wi-Fi internet connection has been reset, and the only way to get back into Wi-Fi is to go through the steps of keying in. So if that does occur, that is going to be the solution. And if there's anything else that you need help with and it's not functioning, you can call the office at 208-634-0030.